Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use SurveyMonkey for data collection, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the SurveyMonkey website and create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Create Survey button to begin. You can select a template or start from scratch by choosing Create a new survey. If you select a template, browse the categories to find one that fits your needs. After selecting a template, give your survey a title to identify it later. Next, you can customize your survey by adding or removing questions. To add a question, click on the Add Question button. Choose the question type that best suits your data collection goals. SurveyMonkey offers multiple choice, rating scales, open-ended, and more. Type in your question and any answer choices if applicable. You can also rearrange questions by dragging them to your desired position. Once your questions are set, navigate to the Design section for styling options. Here, you can choose different themes, colors, and fonts to enhance your survey's appearance. Next, click on the Collect Responses tab to choose how you want to distribute your survey. You can share your survey through email, a web link, or social media platforms. Select your preferred collection method and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your survey is distributed, wait for responses to start coming in. To analyze the data, go back to your SurveyMonkey dashboard. Click on your survey to view summaries of the responses. SurveyMonkey provides graphs and charts to visually represent the data. You can also download the data as a CSV or Excel file for more detailed analysis. Finally, review your insights and consider how to apply them to your project or organization's objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.